All right, got a 2003 Chevrolet Silverado with a 4.3 liter V6. Was called out due to a no start. They just had work done on it. They had to repair a wire from the PCM to the BCM, and car ran for about 10 days and then it stopped running. So I came and I scanned it, and we had 0300 and a PO 101, which is a mass airflow sensor code. So I scan it, and I came across my fuel trims. My fuel trims are running a little high. I got 20 on bank 1 and 5 on bank 2. And then long term is 25-25. So, misfire code. I wanted to test the fuel pressure. Fuel pressure is about right. I came out here and I noticed that the intake tube is not hooked up. Okay, so that's one problem. This was not hooked up. So that's two problems. So I'm sure that that's where my fuel trim problem is. And then the last one, which was a dead giveaway for a misfire, is going to be right down here. Let me see if I can get the camera angled. There you go. There's no spark plug wire. No spark plug wire. So I'm gonna say that the people that worked on this car last should not be working on cars, since they just left everything unhooked. It's got a couple other little issues. We got a intake manifold leak and a couple other problems, but I would say that the majority of the issues we have now determined, and we're going to go down this route, and I'll keep you posted.